That is great. Well, Minister Lee, have you learned any one of those Southeast Asian languages? Or starting
Unfortunately,
you don't have the time.
I cannot. Yeah.
Okay. Now, well, we just had the recent, government price hikes of electricity and oil.
Yeah.
And I believe it was just yesterday when Labor Minister Wang Ruxun was saying that the minimum wage would be adjusted to be more than the price hike.
Yeah.
Do you think this is going to work?
Well, I would say yes, we have to increase our electricity and oil price. There's nothing we can do because we are short of energy, we are short of oil. Mm-hmm. And also, everybody, the whole international society is doing that. Mm-hmm. If we keep this low electricity and oil, that means our carbon footprint will be very high.
Yes.
According to this carbon footprint, Taiwan will be, I would say, punished or they will be taxed. Mm-hmm. In year 2025, the total tax for carbon tax will be 350 billion NT. That means that our industry of our trading will be in big trouble 15 years from now.
Okay.
So something we have to face.
Sure.
But of course, how we are going to take care of all those regular citizens. So we have to come up with, we call it in Chinese, 差别汇率. We have to calculate what is the rational amount of water or electricity you can spend monthly. Then in this quarter, you will be guaranteed the current price. But above that, then you have to be charged more expensive prices. But then, my idea, of course, is this. I'm not a minister of economic affairs, but I have already raised a suggestion that we have to done a policy so-called cleaner production. That means our industry sectors they have to somehow struggle through high electricity and oil bill. What should I do? We should have a group of people to teach those guys how to make their factory more efficient. And then, if they want to make the efficiency of their factory, they need money. So somebody or the bank has to give them loan using their product as guarantee. So if we keep doing that, come up with a solid program, I would say in 5 years, the factory can even make more money. Because their efficiency increase.
Okay.
And our carbon footprint will lower, and everybody will be very happy. This is called cleaner production.